Hey guys, another day, another video, another pretty useful tool for digital marketers. If any one of you ever tried using Google's video ads for your clients' campaigns, there's a pretty big chance that you had issues with creating and ordering videos for your clients, especially if you're working for smaller local businesses that don't really have a budget for paying a professional to do the video commercial that is required for Google Video Ads. So one of the common issues is directing your clients what type of videos you need, how long they need to be, and the second issue is always going to be financial nature. So what I usually do is I create the videos myself with Google's YouTube video builder. So it's a super easy tool to use. You only need to get creatives from your client, develop good calls to action, and in a matter of minutes you can have a pretty decent YouTube video ad. Now, depending on what exactly you need, some of these ads might not be for you, but for most of small businesses, for driving traffic to clients' website, for raising brand awareness, these videos are pretty well. Let's go to the tool and let me show you how it works. First thing that we need to do is actually go to YouTube Video Builder page. So you can see the link up here. I'll also put it in the description below. Once you open up the video builder page, you will find video with instructions. You can go ahead and watch it. It's pretty basic. It explains how to do this, and you can choose a layout. So we have some templates here. So one image specialized for a vertical view, one for regular horizontal view. So we can go ahead and select the template that is most appropriate to our client's business. So pretty cool, pretty cool templates for e-commerce websites, some more general templates. So you can see on the bottom of each one how many images and other assets you need. So text areas, logo, images, how long the video is. So this is actually pretty perfect for YouTube video ads. Something like 15-20 seconds is great. Also, pretty important thing, you need to be logged into email account that has access to clients YouTube channel. So the reason why this is a must is because once you create a video, you need to upload it to their channel in order to use it in your Google Video Ads. So make sure you have access to their channel, or try to get access to the email that they're using for their channel. So easy as that. Let's do one example. You can play it here, see how it will look. So one logo, 3 images, 3 text areas, including a call to action. So let's use this layout. Let's do an example for, I don't know, digital marketing agency, I guess. So brand colors, let's go with white, and maybe something pinkish. Pinkish, is that the word? I don't know. So let's go and drag a logo here. Give me a sec. So yep. Yeah. Maybe more this. Yes, okay. Smaller than recommended size. Okay. This is their recommendation, but this is just an example, so let's not overthink it for now. A few images. Let me just put them up here. Something like this. Okay, maybe not. Let's see. Okay. As you can see, I am totally unprepared for this. So let's try and see if we can pull this off. So images must be 2000 by 2000 or less. Okay, so I might need to resize them. Let's see. Nope. Okay, let me pause the video and resize the images quickly, and then we'll continue. Yeah, so this is going great so far. Okay, so I scaled the images down. As you can see, they need to be less than 2 megabytes, and here are the recommended dimensions. So I scaled my images. Next are the text fields. I added some generic call to action and text fields. This is something that you need to adjust based on your client's website, based on your campaigns, based on what you want from your video ads. You can choose font and you can select the music. There is a decent selection here, so you can play it before you select it, but let's see what we have here. So okay, generating video. I'll try to speed up this section. Or not. Actually, for the amount of effort we did, it looks all right. So the next thing you do is save the video to your YouTube channel. So let's do that. Okay, so I didn't make any changes. Let's go and save video. Done. It's saved. You can copy it from here, and let's just open up a new window and play it. Cool. So that's all that I wanted to show you today. Once you have that video uploaded to your client's YouTube channel, you can use it in your YouTube campaigns once you linked YouTube channel with Google Ads, and that's it. Say a prayer and hope for the best. Okay, guys, good luck with your marketing efforts and talk to you soon. Bye bye.